Important updates. Hello O-Founder. Dear O-Founders. This is a quick one. Let it be known that henceforth nothing like an old account again, even if the account was dated as far back as 2018. In accordance with the information Mufareh sir gave in the webinar before the last, he specifically mentioned that henceforth there is nothing like old account anymore, and that nobody should ask anyone to pay more than $102 to activate Onpassive GoFounder's account, no matter the country. So in this regard, let us all follow these updates as new directives from our CEO and founder to the letter. We are so in it to win it. Join O-Founders, the gateway to Onpassive, and deliver a turnkey business take your existing business to the next level. All the founders now keep getting updated by joining some webinar, certified YouTube, back office in the invaluable time left here. Thanks just for updating you all. Congratulations. महत्वपूर्ण अपडेट। हेलो ओ संस्थापक, प्रिय संस्थापकों, यह एक त्वरित यह जान ले कि अब पुराने खाते जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है, भले ही खाता 2018 के रूप में बहुत पुराना हो। आखिरी से पहले वेबिनार में दी गई जानकारी के अनुसार मुफरेह सर ने विशेष रूप से उल्लेख किया कि अब पुराने खाते जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है और किसी को भी निष्क्रिय गोफाउंडरों को खाते में $102 से अधिक का भुगतान करने के लिए नहीं कहना चाहिए। तो इस संबंध में हम सभी अपने सीईओ और संस्थापक से पत्र के लिए नए निर्देशों के रूप में इन अद्यतनों का पालन करें। All the founders now keep getting updated by joining some webinar, certified YouTube, back office in the invaluable time left here. Thanks just for updating you all. Congratulations. Please subscribe, like and share this video with the ones you love.